Hey, this is the Bosch PFS 3000-2 spray gun. This is what the box contains. So we have the spray gun itself. This is where you pour in the paint. This is the adjustment from 1 to 5. This is the adjustment for the paint outflow. This is the air unit, and it has two settings, a low air and a high air output. The first one is for furniture, lacquer varnishes, and the second one is for wall paint, and this is the off position. You have two nozzles, a gray one and a white one. The gray one is for lacquers and varnish. The white one is for walls. This is how you clean it after you use it. Remove this, and unscrew the nozzle. You get a hose. You put one end into the handpiece, it doesn't matter which end, and the other in the unit. This is where your other nozzle is. This is the carrying strap. You also get a strainer for the paint, and you get 4 extra gaskets. This is where the gasket goes, and you need to replace those once in a while. Okay, it's pretty straightforward and simple. Now let's test it out. You should also use the strainer. You can also use it without the head unit to blow away the dust. Okay, so I've tried it out. It does have a learning curve. What I found was that you really have to dilute whatever varnish or paint you use, like dilute it way more than it's recommended. That way you won't get as much splatter. So if you want to buy it, I think it's good, but but you need to learn how to use it, and trick is to really dilute it more than it says, and you'll get better results. Okay, well, hope this helps. Bye.